Enter the world of ancient beauty, where a legendary queen ruled with unmatched grace and mesmerizing allure. Cleopatra, renowned for her captivating beauty, kept a secret in her treasure trove of timeless remedies, the milk bath. Immersed in this luxurious elixir, she discovered the ultimate all-in-one solution for anti-aging, nourishment, exfoliation, and more. Now you can experience the same ageless realm of radiant skin and eternal youthfulness with a milk bath. It offers various benefits, including anti-aging properties, nourishing hydration, soothing relaxation, skin brightening effect, and gentle cleansing. To make one at home, add 2 cups of milk to warm water in a bathtub and soak for 20 minutes. You can experiment with different types of milk and additives, and create an ambience by dimming the lights or playing relaxing music. Pamper yourself with a homemade milk bath today and provide your skin with all the natural nourishment and moisture it deserves.